It sounds good, man. Yeah, so you can change that. Uploading those videos for you guys, cranking out that content, checking in on the roommates. How you doing, bro? Yep, okay, you look the same as last time. Haven't even moved. Probably been in these same spots for a few days. Who knows? You guys gotta start paying some rent around here. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are tuning Andres's that F30 330i with the B48 with boot mode by Pro Tuning Freaks, supplied to us by Keys Motorsports. Whew, that was an intro. But yes, you guys, today we are flash tuning the F30 with boot mode stage 1. Andres is super excited. Since we started this whole modification process on his F30, he's been asking over and over again, when do we get to tune it? When do we get to tune it? So finally today is the day. And flash tuning with boot mode is so easy. I've done this so many times on the M2 and the F30. Such a breeze. I'm gonna link a couple videos right here for you guys to check out, but we're gonna run through the process on the F30, download the stage 1 map, dive into the tune, probably customize some burbles. It's gonna be fun. And the reaction on his face is going to be priceless, because comparing a stock car to a tuned stage 1 car is a big dramatic difference, especially when you own the car and you've been driving it stock for so long and you're so used to that power, so used to that torque. When you tune at stage 1, it makes a massive difference. So I'm really excited to just get in the car after we flash stage 1 and just watch his reaction. Tuning videos always have the best reactions because it's just such a big difference. So he's rolling up right now. Let's head out there, meet up with Andres, and get into the tuning process. Scale 1 to 10, how stoked?
Probably like 11.
It's flash-tastic, right? Yes, sir. Tuning day. Tuning day. All right, so we got the F30 in the garage. We're gonna go ahead and download the driver, the BOOTMOD3 driver, onto his computer, because we're gonna be using his computer for this one. For this flash, you're gonna have to go ahead and buy the boot mode bundle. I will link everything down below, but you're gonna need a computer, the boot mode bundle, and then a Ethernet to OBD2 port cable. All that stuff will be linked below if you guys wanna get it. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in the car, download stage 1. I'm gonna lead you through the whole process. If you're a little bit confused about this, watch this video right here. It's a little bit more in depth, but let's get this thing flashed to stage 1. All right, guys, so we're in the car and we have the Ethernet to OBD2 cable plugged into laptop. He created his account on boot mode. We have our license key. You can see right here our VIN is up, so everything is connected. However, we're not registered, so we're gonna go ahead and put in our key. Obviously not show you that. And then we will resume this video. We are downloading the stage 1 map. All right, so we got the vehicle registered. You can tell we obviously have our seatbelts on. That is something that you need to have on when you are flashing. Make sure the car is in accessory mode. If you do not have a healthy battery, make sure your battery is on a charger, and turn off all of the accessories. Don't have any air going, any lights on. We're gonna go ahead and find our maps now. Scroll down to maps here. You can see that it shows our stock tune, so if we ever want to go back to the stock tune, we just select that. We're going to go to OTS maps, and we are going to stage 1 93 octane. Here in North Carolina we have 93 octane, so we're going to run with that. So revised boost, load control, boost targets raised on stage 1, so increased boost, which is why you do the charge pipe and all that. And then yeah, we can go ahead and just get the tune. It's that simple. Yes, we want that tune. So when you guys flash your car for the first time, you have to unlock the DME, and it takes a little bit longer, but from that point forward, it's really fast to flash to like stage 2, stage 3. So the first time might take a little bit longer, but then after that, it's really easy. All right, so we got it downloaded. Now what we're gonna do is go into stage 1 93 octane and go to configure, and we're gonna do a couple of things in here. For the exhaust burble type, he wants to go with the OTS map setup for burbles, right? And then we're gonna see how it sounds and maybe adjust it down the road if he wants to get like super crazy and go with it. But however, this car does have the stock catalytic converters in it and stock downpipes, so you don't want to go too nuts, or you can blow out and just ruin your catalytic converter. So we'll just go with OTS for right now. And then the other thing that I think we'll just go ahead and do is turn off the catalytic monitors, because we are going to end up doing a downpipe in this car anyways, so might as well just turn those off. Do you want to change anything else?
No, we'll go back in and change more
Cold
stuff.
start all that? Okay, cool. So now we just save the changes for the map. That's how we want it to be. Cool. And we'll hop back into stage 1. And now we flash.
Can I do the honors? All right, we're flashing.
We're flashing. Let's see how long it says it's gonna take.
With this computer, I don't know, we'll be here till tomorrow.
My computer's from 2010. Yeah, I gotta upgrade. But I don't edit the videos on this computer. This is really, I only use it for flashing. That's the only reason I use this computer. It's kind of nice to have it for that though, to be honest. It's happening. You guys are gonna see some errors and codes thrown up. Totally normal. Just let the car do its thing. All right, finishing up. Flash successful, restoring DME. So this will save your stock tune and everything. If you guys want to go back to stock or anything, you just hit the stock setup. Game on. Go ahead and hit OK. So you do want to wait a few seconds before you start the car up. There's going to be a check engine light when you first start it up. Turn it off, turn it back on, and the check engine light will go away. Go ahead and start.
You're like a pro at this.
Dude, I've done it so many times. But it's really easy. Like, it's not rocket science, man. Like, anyone can do this.
So even though like you did it on your computer, because I have the software already on mine, it would work the same. I just need
log in.
my key.
Yeah, like the great thing is you don't need anything now.
Oh,
now that the
it's
key is in there,
registered to the account.
yeah, if your car and you're in your account, you can log in anywhere. All right, so first start up here. So you'll see that check engine light right there. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on in a second. Just wanna make sure that everything is idling properly and the car is running smooth. It seems good though. Check engine light's gone. All right, so now, you know what time it is.
Yeah, we gotta go drive.
We're gonna go drive. There's definitely some burbles there. So we can already hear the burbles.
It woke up, guys.
She's awake. You're in Sport Plus?
Oh, plus? Okay.
Dude, it's not even in Sport Plus.
Alright, we gotta drive.
Sounds good. Sounds good. The car is going to get used to the tune. The ECU is going to learn the tune. And it should adapt and actually get better over time and actually respond better as you drive it. Oh yeah, there's definitely more burbles.
Yeah, it pulls more too, even with you in the car.
So he's one of those people that once he gets alone, he starts to really recognize the difference. He texted me last night after he put the charge pipe in. And he was like, dude, I think the car is pulling harder. And I was like, it's definitely pulling harder. It's not a placebo. When we take a right here, you know what I want to see. Let me get a pull.
The speed limit?
Yeah. This is all, we're in Mexico, so we can do whatever we want. Feels good.
That's nice.
It's nice, dude. Dude, this car is gonna be fast. When we put downpipe on here, it's gonna rip. Did it always do that?
Yeah, but not as much.
Yeah.
Wow, it just like keeps going.
Yeah. It's I don't know if they can hear it through the video, but
No,
it's like clack, 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 clack. It's loud. Those are just gonna get louder over the time. But you definitely don't want like super aggressive burbles with catalytic converters because it'll ruin your cats. So that's why we're gonna go catless on this. I can't believe this car has 2 cats. Man, that is like super economy mode. Go get on the freeway, take a lap.
Okay.
It feels nice.
It does, yeah.
Pulls really, really smooth. The intake in this car is so loud.
Louder than yours, right?
Oh yeah, it's a way different sound. My car just, I don't even know what, that thing's a Frankenstein, dude. Yeah, so the more you drive, man, the more that the car is gonna, it's gonna learn the tune, and the tune's gonna adapt to your ECU, and the car's gonna drive better. Dude, it sounds
this is so
good.
fun.
It sounds good. It sounds really good. This car, dude, this car is begging for like an actual exhaust.
So get it.
Like the M Performance sounds really good, but it's very reserved. It's incredibly reserved.
It's got a really nice tone though. For people that don't want to go too loud, M Performance is a really good choice. Yep,
that was kind of like the Dynan for me. Like the Dynan was, it was a good tone, but it was quiet. You know, it almost sounded stock to me.
Yeah.
I'd be curious to just do the downpipe, Gray F30. Is that him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was him. I'd be curious to just do the downpipe and see how it sounds with the MP. But you know,
Full send.
We're gonna go full send. It's also warm, so it's 80 degrees out right now.
Yeah,
so
today's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be a hot day. Probably not the best for boosted cars, but tomorrow morning when you go for a drive, it feels good, man. Those burbles, dude, I'm not used to that in your car. Your car's like always so quiet. You can like feel it. It's like massaging my butt.
Yeah, we got seat massagers now.
Hit it. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, it feels good.
Nice.
This feels really good. Wow. So the B48 boot mode, this isn't even an aggressive tune. Very, very, very low key, stage one, simple. OTS, yeah, like nothing crazy about this tune at all. But it feels nice. Like the reason I like boot mode is because it gives you the aggression you want, but it feels reliable. Like I'm not worried about this car blowing up because too much boost or anything. This car can handle it. But then again, if you want to go crazy, you can do custom tunes through boot mode and just go nuts. Like I'm thinking for the M2, I'm gonna order a custom tune. They have like a Jordan tune. I might do something like that, or just go out through like wedge performance and do some kind of crazy stuff. But man, off the shelf, like getting what you pay for, it's so worth it with boot mode. These tunes are just amazing. The tune and stuff.
Dang, the burbles.
Yeah, those burgers are loud, dude.
Those are fun.
Yeah, they are. You're gonna blow that cat. That cat's gonna get blown apart.
We don't want that cat.
No, we don't want that cat. Sounds good. Feels good. Those burbles are waking up.
And it's like, it does it more as you drive it too.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, boys. We got boibles. We got boibles. Give me a big one. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, it sounds good. Do you want to hear the Sport Plus out here?
loud.
It sounds good, man. All right, you guys, so that is the video. Stage 1 boot mode for Andres on the 330i. Safe to say he's pretty stoked. I'm stoked for him. Like, I can even feel it in the car, but I know that I'm gonna get a text from him later when he's out driving by himself and he's gonna be like, dude, it's a lot faster. It's just so much fun, and it's so easy to like flash these cars and just get it on the go. Like, you could be at the track, flash stage 2, stage 1, whatever you want to do. It's so convenient. So if you guys need anything that you saw in this video, the bundle, the cable to connect your computer to the car, I'm gonna have it all linked below. Huge shout out to Keys Motorsports for sending us the tune. Like I said in the last video, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Andres' new website, thatf30.com. I also updated my site, thickf30.com. It has all of the modifications, everything that we've ever done to our cars, and we will continue to update those websites along the process of building our cars. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification, and just like that, this video's over, and we're out. Peace.
And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got low sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. I've been wasting my